Welcome to Qigong, a movement a day. How's it going? Are you enjoying a little bit of practice every day? Let me know in the comments. And let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Would you like longer sequences? Do you want a certain amount of time? Would you like a specific area of the body focused on? So let me know, and then I'll know what to produce. Great. Today, we're going to start off with a movement that really activates and warms up the lower back. And if you've got lower back issues, it is one of those that will prevent it from being a problem. So if your back goes out sometimes, that sort of thing, this is kind of a preventative thing. It might not be the best thing to do acutely, but it is really good to do like 100 of these to keep that back really fluid and moving, to just relax it and keep it fluid. So let's, I'm going to do it in slow motion to begin with. Hands are going to go up over the head, and then we're going to bend our knees as we come down. We're going to go really fast when it happens. And then as we go back with our arms, we're going to straighten our legs and then bend our knees again, and we're going to come back up. So it's a bend, straighten, bend, straighten. And that's it. That's the move. Really nice to keep the lower back warmed up. So kind of a good move for in the morning if you need to just kind of get it loose and get it moving. And again, listen to your body. Do as many as you think is good or comfortable for you. And if you need to take a break, go for it, because I think sometimes people might get a little dizzy with this one. Good. Let go of energy. So this is also a good one to do in the evening. You get home, you've been thinking all day or doing stuff with your upper body and your mind, and just want to flow that energy down, or maybe throw that energy down. So this move is good for that. You bend, straighten. Bend, straighten, bend, straighten. You can synchronize your breath with the movement, or you can just breathe naturally. And stop whenever it feels right. It's a nice move to do a few of them as part of a sequence. We'll do a little extra today. And as you're doing your movement, notice how your body's feeling. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your face. Noticing if you're holding any tension or if anything's a little sore, if you're not used to moving. Whatever we did yesterday might be activating a little lactic acid in your muscles. It's lovely to be outside. One of my tricks for me to do Qigong every day, especially when I first started, was to just walk out the front door in the morning without thinking, get the body in movement, and then I wouldn't let myself go back in until I'd done some Qigong. And I had a 15-minute set, like a routine, which is really kind of nice, because once you get started on a routine, you just do the whole thing. So it was perfect. I'd go outside, I'd do my 15-minute Dragon and Tiger Qigong, and then I would switch over to my Tai Chi, Wu style Tai Chi, and then I'd go back inside. So that was one of the tricks I used to be able to keep my practice regular. I don't know if we've done 100 yet. I wasn't counting. Feels pretty good. Let's do one more. Whew. just notice how your body's feeling. I can feel my heart beating, which means there's blood circulating throughout my body. Feel my lungs expanding and filling with breath, the breath of life. And then there's that tingling through the body. I've activated my qi, I've gotten it moving. So this is a nice activity. Warmed up the body, activated the qi. It's feeling pretty good. Take a moment to appreciate what you've done for your body, what you've done for your future. This kind of movement will expand your wellness, your health span, as they call it. So leave me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Next movement of the day.
Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. I'll see you tomorrow.